In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple domains in Sendgrid. So in order to set up multiple domains on your Sendgrid, what you can do is you can head over first into your sendgrid.com, click on the Start for Free in order to create an account, or if you already have one, proceed to click on the Sign In option. You can also click on the See Plans and Pricing in order to see the actual plans and subscription that Sendgrid offers you. Now, once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to access it. So I have in here this documentation that can help us. You can just set up a new domain first, go over it here on your settings and choose standard authentication. Follow the steps and then from in there just input on a domain authentication and add your domain, verifying your DNS. Copy the values from SendGrid into your Azure DNS, for example GoDaddy, and save the records. Once added on your SendGrid account, click on verify and this should set up your domain to send emails from SendGrid with proper authentications. Now we also have in here this, you can assign authenticated domains to users or sub-users. So in that way, you will have multiple domains on your SendGrid. So to do that, you can actually head over and then do this by going to settings, sub-user management, choose the sub-user that you want to have it, and then change sending option button in order to give them the right for domain authentication or link branding. To also note that dedicated IPs and link branding may also be assigned in the same area by selecting the IP that you wish to assign to this sub-user. So if you have a lot of sub-users on your SendGrid, you can assign them other domains. So in that way, your SendGrid account will have multiple domains that has been authenticated into your actual SendGrid from there. So that's all there is for today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, you can comment them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.